The team at Salvona is always trying to think of ways to improve upon current dermal cosmetics to make them more effective, more stimulating, and more human. We rose to this challenge with our Magic Wash formula. Most antiseptic products on the market contain alcohol, which can dry the skin and compromise dermal integrity. The FDA-approved antiseptic active ingredient that we use is benzalkonium chloride, also known as BKC. The challenge of working with BKC is that it is easily washed away with water and doesn't stay on the skin for extended periods of time. Salvona's revolutionary solution to remedy these issues is to encapsulate the BKC in our patented HydroSal technology. The addition of the encapsulation keeps the active ingredient on the skin, thus extending the protection from viruses and pathogens for a longer period of time. Here, HydroSal BKC is being used in a wash to illustrate a possible application. It can be used in any topical product such as a lotion, anti-blemish product, mask, and others. Salvona's formulation chemists put together this wash platform that includes xanthan gum as a thickener, betaine as a foaming cleanser, aloe vera as an emollient, and witch hazel as an astringent. The HydroSal BKC is then easily added to the end of the formula. To augment the product beyond the HydroSal BKC active ingredient, we wanted to stimulate the senses. Sal Color FX is a technology that changes from one color to another. In this case, we used Sal Color FX white to green. Beyond the visual stimulation of the color, the green indicates the coverage area of the antiseptic product, which can help train everyone the best way to sanitize their hands. Sal Color FX is also easily added at the end of most formulas. As you can see, the result is an amazing product that provides protection against pathogens and gives a lively indication that it is working. Salvona's encapsulation technologies have many different applications for dermal cosmetic formulas. To learn more about our products, please visit www.salvona.com. If you are interested in finished products containing the technologies, please contact Advanced Beauty Labs online or call Jeff Gohar at 609-270-9359. Thank you for watching.